Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever dreamed of a truly immense screen without the hassle of ceiling mounts or wrestling with lamp-based projectors, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through 5 of the best 4K laser ultra short throw projectors, each capable of casting 100 to 150 inch images from just inches away. These aren't your run-of-the-mill bulb projectors. They use laser illumination for consistent brightness and long lamp life, deliver native 4K resolution for razor-sharp detail, and feature ultra short throw lenses so you can tuck them neatly on your media console or shelf. I've personally tested image clarity, color fidelity, and immersive scale so you can pick the perfect model for your home theater, gaming corner, or multi-purpose living room. No fluff, just hands-on insights to help you see just how big and beautiful your entertainment can get. Ready? Let's jump right in. Number 5, Formovie Cinema Edge. At number 5, we have the Formovie Cinema Edge, a budget-friendly powerhouse that punches well above its price tag. At its heart is a 4K DLP laser phosphor engine that outputs around 1900 ISO lumens, optimized for deep contrast in dark environments. Unlike those entry-level lamp-based UST models, the Cinema Edge delivers a native 3840 by 2160 resolution, ensuring sharp text, crisp graphics, and detailed cinema footage. Its ultra short throw lens with a 0.2 to 1 ratio can produce a 120-inch diagonal image from just under 10 inches away, perfect for tight spaces or compact living areas. Setup is as simple as placing it on your TV stand or console, powering it on, and letting the autofocus lock your image in milliseconds. For smart functionality, Formovie integrates Google TV out of the box. You get instant access to all major streaming platforms, voice search through Google Assistant, and support for popular casting protocols. Audio is handled by built-in Dolby Atmos speakers, providing surprisingly immersive sound that belies the projector's size. While it doesn't match the lumen output of the Epson LS800B, the Cinema Edge shines in dedicated darkroom setups. Think home theaters, bedrooms, or dedicated media rooms. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and motion handling remains fluid, even during fast action sequences. If you're on a tighter budget but refuse to compromise on actual 4K laser UST performance, the Formovie Cinema Edge offers a compelling package: laser longevity, native 4K crispness, smart streaming, and immersive audio, all for a fraction of the price of top-tier models. It's the perfect entry point into laser-based ultra short throw projection without breaking the bank. Number 4, Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS 800. When daylight streams through your windows and most projectors wash out, the Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS 800 stands its ground. Epson's proprietary 3LCD laser array, coupled with pixel-shifted 4K Pro UHD processing, yields astonishingly sharp resolution with lifelike color. However, its staggering 4,000 lumens of color and white brightness truly sets it apart. That output level means you can watch daytime sports, news broadcasts, or animated films in nearly any well-lit environment without losing contrast or vibrancy. The Ultra LS 800's ultra short throw lens boasts a 0.27 to 1 ratio, so you only need to place it 12 inches from the wall or a mantle, shelf, or console table to fill a 150-inch diagonal screen. This flexibility makes it a natural fit for living spaces where ceiling mounts aren't practical or where you frequently rearrange furniture. Built-in Android TV provides instant access to hundreds of streaming apps, from Netflix and Hulu to niche platforms like Crunchyroll or CuriosityStream. Navigating the interface feels snappy, and voice search through Google Assistant puts everything at your fingertips. Audio is handled by a Yamaha-tuned 2.1 channel soundbar, delivering deeper bass and fuller mid-range than typical projector speakers. Dialogues come through crystal clear, and movie scores have a satisfying impact that enhances immersion. Beyond raw power, Epson includes advanced image enhancement features like dynamic HDR tone mapping, which optimizes contrast scene by scene, and auto color calibration to maintain consistency over time. A simple remote control guides you through setup, and the motorized lens shift allows fine adjustments without manually nudging the unit. For multi-purpose rooms, where you host movie marathons one night and kids' cartoons the next, the LS800's blend of daylight resilience, genuine 4K detail, and integrated smart features makes it a top contender. Its 4,000 lumens make competing with ambient light trivial, and the built-in streaming and soundbar capabilities transform any blank wall into an all-in-one entertainment hub. Number 3. Samsung The Premier LSP9T. Samsung's The Premier model LSP9T is the first HDR 10 Plus ultra short throw projector to use a triple laser RGB engine, delivering full BT .2020 color gamut coverage for stunningly rich and accurate hues. Rated at 2800 ANSI lumens, it balances brightness with high contrast, producing vivid images across a range of lighting conditions, from dim home theaters to ambiently lit living rooms. With a 0.19 to 1 throw ratio, the Premier can cast a 100-inch diagonal image from just 3 inches away, expanding to 130-inch at its maximum. This ultra-compact placement is perfect for minimalist spaces or rooms where mounting hardware is off limits. What truly sets this model apart is its integration of a 4.2 channel speaker system with Samsung's Object Tracking Sound Plus. 2 upward-firing drivers create a sense of height, while front-facing speakers anchor dialogue and effects to the screen. Audio dynamically follows on-screen action. Cars roar past you, and footsteps sound like they're coming from the correct direction without needing a separate soundbar or surround speakers. Samsung's Tizen OS powers the smart experience, offering a familiar, user-friendly interface with built-in apps for Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, and more. Screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy devices is seamless, letting you share photos or presentations instantly. For HDR enthusiasts, including HDR 10 Plus means dynamic metadata ensures scene-by-scene brightness optimization, enhancing shadow detail and highlight pop. Gamers can also benefit from low-input lag modes, making this unit versatile for cinematic and interactive entertainment. In short, the Premier LSP9T is a premium proposition, triple laser color accuracy, immersive built-in audio, and a sleek ultra-short throw design. It's ideal for those who want a high-end home cinema experience without additional AV components cluttering the space. Number 2. BenQ X500i. For those who live and breathe console gaming, the BenQ X500i doesn't just meet expectations, it redefines what a home projector can deliver, packed with native 4K UHD resolution, HDR Pro processing, and a 4 LED light source that boasts both brightness and longevity. This short throw projector is built to transform small living rooms, bedrooms, or even dorm spaces into cinematic gaming zones. The projector's short throw lens is designed with a 0.69 to 0.83 ratio, meaning it can cast a massive 100-inch screen from just over 5 feet away. That makes it ideal for environments where space is limited and mounting options are few. With 2200 ANSI lumens of brightness, the image remains sharp, vivid, and punchy, even in moderate ambient light conditions. Colors stay true to life thanks to full coverage of the DCI-P3 color space, and motion remains smooth and uninterrupted, regardless of the content. Where the X500i truly shines is in its responsiveness. With input latency as low as 4.16 milliseconds at 1080p and a 240 Hz refresh rate, this projector competes with many high-end monitors in terms of performance. It automatically detects consoles like the PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X and switches into dedicated game modes that optimize black levels, contrast, and input responsiveness depending on the genre. Whether you're exploring open-world adventures, lining up the perfect sniper shot, or navigating tight corners in racing sims, every frame responds with precision. BenQ has also integrated a fully certified Android TV system, providing seamless access to streaming apps like Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and more. There's built-in Chromecast and Google Assistant voice control, so everything from switching content to checking the weather can be done hands-free. While the built-in dual 5-watt speakers are serviceable, users seeking immersive sound can utilize EA ARC and SPDIF output options for a seamless connection to a more powerful audio setup. The X500i combines professional-grade gaming performance with cinematic flair and streaming convenience. It's compact, flexible, and future-ready. Whether you're a competitive gamer, a weekend movie buff, or simply looking to make the most of limited space without compromising on quality. For anyone seeking console-grade visuals in a short-throw footprint, the BenQ X500i delivers a truly standout experience. Number 1. Hisense Laser Cinema PX3 Pro. Leading the pack is the Hisense Laser Cinema PX3 Pro, which brings genuine true 4K performance into an ultra-short throw form factor, making it a standout choice for anyone craving big, bright images without the hassle of mounting on the ceiling or wrestling with long throw distances. At its core is a tri-laser DLP engine that outputs a native 3840 by 2160 resolution. No pixel shifting tricks here. Every frame you watch, be it a sweeping landscape in a nature documentary or the intricate texture of a superhero's suit, is rendered with razor-sharp detail and exceptional clarity. Color reproduction is equally impressive. Covering over 95% of the BT.2020 color gamut, the PX3 Pro delivers deep reds, lush greens, and vibrant blues that feel true to life. Whether you're watching a blockbuster HDR movie or gaming at peak settings, the HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision support ensure both highlights and shadow details pop with outstanding dynamic range. Brightness sits at a solid 3000 ANSI lumens, which holds up well in rooms with moderate ambient light. No need to keep your lights dimmed at all times. But where this model really shines is its ultra short throw lens. With a 0.19 to 1 throw ratio, you only need to position it 8 inches from your wall to get a 100-inch diagonal. Slide it back slightly and you can expand your canvas to 150-inch, turning any blank wall into a personal IMAX screen. Streaming is seamless thanks to the built-in Google TV interface. You can launch Netflix, Disney+, YouTube, or any app in seconds without plugging in an external stick. And for audio, Hisense teamed up with Harman Kardon to craft dual 50-watt speakers that deliver surprisingly punchy sound for dialogue clarity, explosive action scenes, and immersive ambient effects. You'll feel like you're in the middle of the action rather than just watching it. Gamers will appreciate the 4K at 120 Hz mode and low lag gaming preset, which brings input latency down to around 16 milliseconds, enough to keep competitive matches feeling fluid and responsive. Setup is as easy as plugging in power and HDMI, placing the projector, and using the autofocus feature to lock onto a crisp image. In short, the Hisense PX3 Pro offers a turnkey 4K laser UST experience that balances price, performance, and convenience. Perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or dedicated media rooms. There you have it, 5 proven 4K laser ultra short throw projectors that bring 100 to 150-inch cinematic experiences into any room. No ceiling mounts or ladders required. To recap, Hisense PX3 Pro for balanced brightness, genuine 4K, and low lag 4K gaming. Epson LS 800B for unbeatable daylight brightness and vibrant color in any lighting. BenQ X500i for ultra-responsive 4K gaming, vibrant short-throw visuals, and built-in streaming convenience. Samsung Premiere LSP9T for integrated multi-channel audio and HDR10 Plus finesse. Formovie Cinema Edge for budget-friendly native 4K laser UST with Dolby Atmos. All 5 models deliver on native 4K, laser illumination, and true ultra-short throw, so you can choose the one that fits your space, budget, and viewing habits. Hit the links in the description to learn more and make your pick. If this video helped you decide, smash that like button, subscribe for more in-depth tech guides, and tell me which projector you're bringing home in the comments. Until next time, stay entertained and keep it big.